Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
Hey, Mike Foster here, having a walk and talk. It's a little cold out. I got my jacket on. Hey, I got an easy task for you. I want you to find one of your faults, right? Think about it. For most of us, we should have. No one's perfect. We all have a bunch of faults. You know, it could be eating wrong, could be not exercising, could be not listening to your spouses, or it could be hanging out with the wrong people. It could be anything. Your fault could be, you know, losing your cool in traffic. We all have faults. Now here's the fun part. You got that fault? Fix it. Okay, video's over. Don't you wish it was that easily? But that's the key. The first part about correcting a bad habit or fixing a fault or self-improvement is understanding that you have a problem. Understanding that you have something that not necessarily wrong with you, but something that you want to change. You know, it's early in the year and it's time for resolutions and people want to make changes, and that's all well and good, but you should be self-correcting all through the year, all through your life. But again, the first part is understanding what needs to be fixed. For me, I got to lose 20 pounds. And I also have to cut down on drinking my wine because I think that's related. So cut down the wine or just eliminate it for 30 days. Continue on a good exercise plan and healthy, wise eating choices. And then hopefully I fix that. And hopefully we'll see the results in a little while. And there's other things. I mean, no one's perfect. We all have faults. Watch all my videos, whatever your fault is. Go through the self-improvement, the self-help, the motivation, the inspiration, the balance videos that I have playlists for. And I guarantee that almost any of your faults are addressed there. And if not, drop me a line in the comment section and I'll do a video just for you to try to help whatever your fault is. Sound like a plan? Just remember that it's okay to be human, okay to screw up, it's okay to have faults, but we have to also try to fix them. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 and my YouTube channel by the same name. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.